Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for always stopping by, and I hope you really love the videos. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I'm mounting this toddler beds I got from Amazon. One is for my son and one is for my daughter. So right now I'm trying to figure out the space where I'm gonna put that, but most of the product, the bed, the mattress, and the beddings came from Amazon, and my daughter's bedding came from Walmart. So right now I'm just going to walk you through the process of how I put this together, and we're going to see how the room looks like. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Please do let me know any videos you would like to see, and if there's anything you have in mind, any suggestions, I really appreciate them in the comment section. All right, let's get into the video and mount these beds together. See you soon. Bye bye. Stay safe.
I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.